Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you what happens if, for instance, your one of the opponents from your team got shot and they carried the spike and you're all the way on the other side and you're Omen and you have an ult. So what you can do is go to the site. Make sure it's clear, of course. Go to the site, press X, and you're going to want to have to be super precise on this. Go and click on the spike, and then you're going to want to press X again to go back to where you came from. Click on it, press X. As you can see now, you have the spike, and you're just going to plant it on the site. And that is it. It is as simple as that. Hopefully the tutorial helps. Um, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.